Hey, all my beautiful peoples. So, today I'm doing a little reset and trying to get my living room together. It's been a little unorganized and honestly kind of lifeless. So, let's fix that. Since it's spring, we're doing a little spring clean. And when I was younger, my mom used to do these deep cleans and big declutters. And now that I think about it, it's really like resetting your first quarter of the year. Also, warning, this is not one of those videos with the fancy equipment. I honestly spent all this time cleaning this just to remove it anyway. Is anyone else like this? If I can't do something, I won't settle until I learn it. Vlogs are honestly my weakest area, and I was venting about it, and someone told me there's nothing wrong with my content. But it's not about that. I don't want it to be perfect, I want it to be engaging and entertaining. I want to learn different angles and actually get better at this. And I don't know, it just made me think like, why do we settle sometimes? Why stay in our comfort zone? But anyway, I'm still going to put these little vlogs out while I learn and get better at them. I did all this cleaning to still turn around and remove this table out of here. Is it just me? Someone tell me why they just don't put all these liquid in a spray bottle. Like, I really love this toner, but the fact that I have to pour it into my hand and then apply it to my face really don't sit well with me. I just think they should put all these inside a spray bottle. Make it easier. Lately, my skincare has been so simple and effective. Like, I couldn't ask for a much more better skincare routine. Of course, I had to stop and look at candles. I literally can't help myself. I was just here not even a week ago and saw two pictures I wanted, but I was trying to budget, so I said I'll come back for them. Yeah, they were gone, and lesson learned. So now I'm just gonna grab a few things to restock the pantry. I tried moving this, and yeah, it ended up right back where it started. I'll figure it out later. These curtains, man, I wouldn't even talk about these curtains. These curtains did me dirty. They were really too short. Now I have to go back to the drawing board and figure out what I wanted to do. I was going for a blue and orange spring look, or maybe teal and orange. Let me know what y'all think. But since these curtains did me dirty, I just don't know where to start. But yeah, that's my fault for not measuring before I went out and purchased. Another lesson learned. Now this the part that made the big difference. It's finally started to come together, y'all. It's not completely done yet, but I'm really happy with how it's looking so far. We still have a few more tweaks to go. Like I said, the chair covering, and then I want to paint the walls and some throw pillows. Could y'all tell me why Amazon's so expensive? Furthermore, why is chair covering so expensive? But anyway, like I said, I like how everything looks so far. Still a few tweaks to go, but this is how it's looking so far. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.